Next matter.
Sanders, followed by Bashar.
King County's Drug Court, a therapeutic court. It offers drug and alcohol-addicted offenders treatment instead of jail time.
When folks are suffering with the disease of addiction, it's not a choice to go out and get high and party. They're not going clubbing. You know, these folks are unable to go without that chemical.
To beat that addiction, offenders opt into drug court's strict program of treatment sessions, random urine analysis, and regular appearances before the drug court judge.
You completed 30 days of treatment in the community.
Yes, sir.
And you are in the process of developing a treatment plan.
Yeah.
Nice job. Good for you. So
we try to reward them with praise and applause and interest in their lives and treating them with respect. I think that's really key.
We see people coming in homeless, struggling, you know, dental problems you couldn't imagine, filthy, scared, traumatized, and we see them walking out of here reunited with their children, with jobs.
One group of participants have been harder to reach. Young adults between the ages of 18 and 27. Many face not just drug possession, but more serious felony distribution charges.
Selling drugs downtown Seattle, being there, I wasn't supposed to be there, and wrong place, wrong time.
Dante is 25, a commercial painter with a drug addiction.
Marijuana, I smoked it every day, pretty much all day. So it was like brushing my teeth in the morning, so.
For Dante, it was that whole, well, I'm not an addict, you know, I'm not like, I'm not like those guys over there, you know. I mean, I got a job, I got, you know, been with the same girl for a long time, you know. I don't act out, I'm not out hustling, but you know, he'd go out partying, he'd be using, and then he'd get tangled up with the law somehow, and he was able to start recognizing that.
Drug court case managers, they're really helpful, fun people, you know, especially Tom. That's my guy.
Tom and drug court helped Dante get an apartment, a driver's license, and a treatment plan.
Shelter, food, transportation, clothing, you know, we help with those basic needs, and then people are able to stop focusing on the survival aspects of living and start trying to focus a little bit more on recovery skills.
It worked out perfectly because drug court helped with finances, housing.
Yeah.
Dante has another motive to stay sober, his new son.
Yeah, he's really fun. The love of my life, wakes me up every day, keeps me happy.
Sobriety changed Dante's outlook.
Say hi.
Different, better, clear mind. You see things different now. You know, you're more aware of things, and it's great. I don't have no intention at all to go back to using or anything.
The goal is to empower these young adults to take charge of their future and of their direction.
Drug Court has created a new model for young adults, requiring long-term goals, education, vocational training, and employment.
You're working on your GED.
Correct.
What's the status of that?
And in order to progress through the program, along with being clean and sober, you've got to show the court that you're working toward these long-term goals. And so if you want to go to college one day, well, then you need to have some of those short-term goals are probably enrolling in a GED program, attending all your classes in a 30-day period.
They have to go through so much to get to graduation. It is so hard to fake this program that by the time they graduate, there's no way that they are left in the same shape that they were when they came in.
It takes a minimum of 10 months to complete drug court, but many participants stumble and stay in longer. Dante had his own setback.
He was about a month from graduation and relapsed on cocaine. Now, Dante had a number of choices. He could have tried to fake that UA, he could have avoided the UA, he could have called with some kind of catastrophic emergency, which some of our folks do. I'm in the hospital, you know, I had an emergency. He was here at 7:30 in the morning waiting for me to get to work. What are you doing here? Well, I'm taking responsibility for it. Perfect.
An extra 6 months was added to Dante's program, time he says he needed. After a total of 2 years in drug court, he graduated as his young son looked on.
I made it, finally. His future is going to be the opposite of what mine was in the past. So I got great things for him to come when he gets a little bit older.
He's doing great. He's got a beautiful son, a loving wife. They are, it's great to see them, you know, they're a family.
1,678 people have graduated from drug court since it began in 1994.